What's up guys, Naveed here. Last year Samsung released first foldable phone, Samsung Galaxy Fold. So this year everyone waiting for Galaxy Fold 2. They are thinking Samsung will release Galaxy Fold 2. But might be, it seems it's not going to be called Galaxy Fold 2. Samsung is going to change moniker and it will be marketed as Galaxy Z Fold 2. First it was Z Flip, but now it's going to be Galaxy Z Fold 2. As you know guys, Samsung foldable phones are future. I'm totally agree with that. They are going to release plethora of foldable phones in near future. So branding them in under one name, it makes sense. Same like S series and Note series, foldable phone will be Z series. So let's go and check the new Z Fold 2 render by Ben Jeskin, which is based on the latest leak. Ice Universe revealed a few days ago that the punch hole cutout on the inside display will be at on-off center position because of the lack of space inside. The rear camera setup will be similar to the Galaxy S20 Plus, and the outer display will be bigger, so you can use phone from the outside also easily. And for the charging, Galaxy Z Fold 2 will be comes with 25-watt charging, same like other flagship models. Guys, I'm sure you all waiting for Samsung online event, which going to be on 5th August for the Samsung Galaxy Note series. That's all for today friends. So go ahead and tell me in comments below and hit the thumbs up if you like the video, and do not forget to subscribe if you want to watch more of my content. Thanks for watching guys. Peace out.